welcome to a very special glue and make. My name is Firefighter Paul and I'm on call. So if you hear the bells or my alerter goes off, I've got to skedaddle because I've got a fire call. Now we're celebrating on Glue and Make today the VE Day, which is Victory in Europe. Now, can you see my new uniform? Well, this is a very old uniform. It's from a firefighter back in the 1940s. His name was James North, and he was a firefighter at Swanage Fire Station during the war. Firefighters were given gas masks during the war. He would also use something called a stirrup pump. These are still used today on modern fire engines. A stirrup pump was used to put out these. This is called a German incendiary bomb. These caused lots of fires during World War II. Today on Glue and Make, we're going to make some bunting, just like this. So what are you going to need to make this bunting? First off, we need some wool or some string. Next, we're going to need a brush, but a little stumpy one, some white paper, a black marker pen, and some small scissors. But remember, scissors can be sharp, so always ask an adult. And it wouldn't be Glue and Make without the glue! Hooray! So let's get making! There you go. Now with this method, you can make loads and you can make them all different colours too. Well, I hope you enjoyed making this bunting as much as I have. Remember Wilma from the C19 Mini Superheroes? She wants you to wash your hands. Now remember, you must wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. That's like saying the alphabet or singing happy birthday twice. So, that's all I've got time for. Until the next time, you be careful and be safe, and I've got a little bit more time to make some bunting. See you later, bye bye.